This problem wants us to convert the logarithmic equation to an exponential form. So a logarithm form will be of the form log base b of y is equal to some expression n. And then exponential form is going to be a base to an expression is equal to y. So in order to transform from one form to the other, we have to take whatever's in the base position of the log and move it so that it becomes alone on a side, and then you take the expression on the right side of the equation there, and that becomes the exponent of the base. Then you take the thing that we were taking a log of and move it so that it's on the other side of the equation. So it's quite a rearrangement here that we have to do. So for us, the base of the log is x. So that's going to be our b here. The 5 is an expression that's alone, but this is going to become the new exponent. And then 32 just goes alone on its own side. So let's move everything around according to the pattern that we see here. The x goes alone on a side. The 5 becomes his exponent. And then the 32 goes alone on its own side. And that's going to be the exponential form of this equation. Now, the reason why this whole rearrangement works it comes from when you try to solve this equation. It comes from an algebraic rearrangement of the thing. So just generally, if you have a log of a base b, and we're taking the log of some expression y and setting that equal to some other expression, you would try to get rid of the log base b by doing the opposite of log base b. So the opposite of log base b would be to let the expression here become the exponent of a base of your choice. And the base that you put in, you let it be the base of both sides of the equation. So you start with this, and you can now make a new equation where these expressions now become in an exponent position. But the base you pick is totally up to you. In this case, the right base to pick is b. Because b to a power and log b cancel out. And then you can rewrite the thing as y equals b to the n. So in our case, we've got log x 32 equals 5. X is the base of the log, so you now write a new equation where x is the base of both sides of that equation, and x and log base x cancel out, leaving us with that. So it's just two different ways of doing it. Like some people would memorize this rearrangement concept, but other people might try to solve it through this algebra kind of way of solving it.